Hey, how you doing? You alright? Come here real quick. Just turn around real quick, I'll explain. You're not in any trouble.
What the heck?
Come to the back.
Yo, bro. Hey.
Hold on, I'll tell you why.
Hey, what's going on?
Let's go talk. We're here to talk.
Hey,
I'll tell you why. Good.
Whoa, let's go. Relax.
Come to the back. Come to the back.
Yo, get my phone, bro. Get my phone. Get my phone. It's right there. Let's go live, bro. Let's go live. Press it, bro. Right now, bro. We'll explain. Press public, bro. Press public. Real shit, bro. What is going on right now?
Come on, step over here. We're gonna talk with you.
Go live, bro. What did I do? Bro, press it, dude. Press done. What did I didn't do nothing, though.
No,
we're going to explain.
Explaining. Can you take a minute and listen? Someone in your name called. Hear me out. You ready?
What did I do, bro?
You're gonna listen to me?
He's trying to explain it to you.
Yeah, we're gonna explain to him. Hey. It's good. We're filming too.
Bro, I didn't. Yo, bro. Oh my God, bro.
Let's
I
talk to
swear
him
I didn't
away
do
from
nothing, bro. Chill.
Away from this guy.
And we are going to explain.
You're going to connect it with me. I don't care. Okay.
What's going on? That's what that is. Y'all know what swatting is?
Yeah,
It happened to his boy Aiden last night.
Okay, so this is one of those silly things that people.
Yeah.
Well, and he didn't.
You
get
know who
swatted,
he is, right?
I don't know who he is. I don't know what any of that.
Right now.
I don't care about any
We
of
don't
that.
care.
Well, I'm
about
just
any
letting
of
you know
that.
that's the situation. Like that.
Okay.
He got swat. That's what it is. Someone called him in. You can look on what.
No, I believe you. I believe that that's
We've
a thing.
been live for the past 2 hours.
Live doing what? Waiting for this to happen?
No. Breaking a PS4. He plays video games live on stream. Like I said, there's 100,000 people watching.
Okay.
That's what he does.
We're gonna shut that part down for right now.
There's a full time. Don't turn it off. You don't gotta do that.
We're gonna do that while we have a conversation.
Yo, chat. Spam L in the chat. They're making us turn it off. But we'll keep y'all updated. That's his mom calling him. His phone, hold on.
Well, his dad's out front. We're talking.
Yeah, we've
about.
talked to his dad out front.
I'm just his cameraman. That's all I am. But he was in Miami. Same thing happened to him last night. There's something going on right now. They're swatting. It's a thing that people do. They find that his address has been leaked.
Well, somebody got killed doing that. Now,
Yeah.
where was that? That was.
That's why he's freaking out because he knows the risk of it.
Yeah, that's.
So you're saying somebody
Oh, I know. For
called
sure.
us
Yeah, I know for sure.
with some BS.
Yeah, and if you don't believe me, you can. We literally just ended a live stream. He's been streaming for the past 3.5 hours, 2 hours, 2.5, 3.5 hours.
Okay.
You can see everything he's done for the past 2.5 hours.
Okay.
So
Do me a favor. You can walk out here with us.
Yeah.
Leave your phone there for now.
Well, here, I'll carry it for you. So don't. Oh, it's his phone.
Somebody done pranked us and said that he was about to kill me and kill the whole
Yeah.
Okay. Does he have any mental
No.
diagnosis or anything like that? Any guns in the house?
No. I mean, I have one.
Okay.
Hello.
Do you know who he's here with?
Okay.
Okay.
Hello.
Yeah, I know. Is the gun locked up and everything? Is there anybody else inside?
No, ain't nobody. I don't know who called it.
I didn't say nothing. Were you trying to be funny?
Oh, yeah. It's another kid out back. I don't know who it is. So, as long as the gun's locked up and everything. Is he safe?
Yeah. You don't even know I got it.
He doesn't have any mental diagnosis or anything.
No.
Okay.
His mom on the way.
Mom's on the way?
Yeah.
Are you dad or stepdad?
Stepdad.
Stepdad.
Yeah.
What kind of car does she drive?
I'll tell you right.
Okay. She, will be here in a few minutes.
Yeah.
Alright, sounds good. Yeah, we'll talk to you. There you go. That was quick. Coming in hot. She ain't happy.
What's he do on YouTube? Like, what kind of videos he make?
Started out as game.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's cool. That's big money on that stuff.
Oh, yeah.
Listen to me. Someone called the 911 center and said, with your name, that you wanted to hurt your family and hurt yourself. So we came to make sure you're okay.
All right, just listen to me.
Okay.
I am a popular streamer. I am a YouTuber, okay?
Come on.
I have 10... Let me talk.
So guess what?
Okay, hold on,
If you're
wait.
good, you may be out of these cuffs, but
Okay.
relax.
Okay.
We're on your side.
All right.
We're here to make sure you're not going to harm yourself. right?
All right.
Now,
just-
people
all right.
dox people, right?
Oh, yeah. All right,
Okay, so
look,
maybe that's
let me
it.
talk. Let me talk, okay? I am a popular streamer. I have 10 million subs. You know what a streamer is, right?
Sure, I guess.
You know what a streamer is. Yeah, you ever heard of a streamer SWAT or whatever?
Okay, you got him? Totally on. Yeah. Okay, so tell us about the streamer. What'd you say?
I
Did you
didn't
say
do nothing.
were you trying to be funny?
No, I didn't do nothing.
Well, apparently someone called a help center out in Iowa and said, this address and I want to kill myself, my family.
No,
and
he's
everybody."
lying. It's
Just hear me out.
obviously a lie. It's a lie.
Well,
okay?
we're here to make sure, right?
Oh, yes.
Because of school shootings, right?
Yes.
Be on my side.
Yeah.
Work with me.
Yeah, yeah. I
Right,
understand.
imagine if, like,
I
you have a
just-
son.
I just
Hear me
never-
out. Imagine you have a son, you love him so much, and then someone calls your house and says, my son's, they said you have a Glock, an AR-15, and want to shoot everybody.
Oh, that's
All right, well, let's put you in the car, and then guess what?
all right. This is just y'all. Yeah, like I'm trying to calm down, but it's like it's
overwhelming, right?
Yeah, it's just a streamer slide. It's a streamer slide.
You think they tried to, like, trick you?
Yeah, it's a streamer slide. They called somebody. Somebody called.
I know y'all they pranking my
I know.
house.
Are you exactly?
Pranking my house. Yes, they prank my house.
I just told him that. Exactly. I keep telling. I'm a favorite.
We're just trying to figure it out right now.
Yeah, I mean, it's not really that much to. Exactly. It's a prank call. I keep telling y'all. I can't really explain it to y'all because I'm probably older, but you know, it's just like, you know what Twitch is? Twitch, YouTube?
Yeah, I know what you're talking about.
I mean, you know, I'm famous, you know, and I'm popular, you know. And
They're probably upset, jealous, or something like
yeah,
that.
no, there's just trolls. Like, it's just common trolls.
Well, this was pretty serious.
I know, but it's a call.
That's why we got to do our job.
I've never been in the cup one in my life, man.
I'm sure you don't have anything on you.
Oh, I'm about to kill myself. I'm straight. What the?
I know. We just got to do our job. What number? Call.
You his mom?
Please, they pranking my house.
Are you
like
his
I-
mom?
Yes,
Okay,
they prank our house all the time.
Okay. Well, let us figure it out.
Oh my God!
we were
y'all,
concerned.
This got to stop. No, y'all taking my son over.
No, we're not
People that
taking
keep
him.
pranking my son.
Well-
y'all got him in handcuffs
Well,
right
well,
now.
well,
Y'all
we're going to
hold
make
it
sure
down for
doesn't
this.
want to harm
Go
himself.
no, he ain't gonna harm himself.
All right,
Go in our house
we'll be
right
there.
now. People keep pranking my house.
Well, you need to explain it to me so we can investigate it properly.
Really?
Please, come here. I'm on your side. I got 5
Let me
kids.
calm. Hold
Okay,
on.
calm down first.
Because you
Then
got
talk
my
to
son in handcuffs for no reason. Right
Well, because people were calling saying he wanted to kill you. I don't know if you knew that.
No.
But we didn't know that. Yeah, they called and said he had a gun and wanted to kill his
now.
mother
No,
and
he
dad.
ain't no guns. Ain't.
Well, come talk to us so we can let him out of cuffs.
He
But
about to go with us.
But because of school shootings, we take it
I
serious.
understand that he's not about to kill nobody. These is constant pranks. Constant pranks.
Hey, Sarge, this is his mom, and
The police are surrounding my house right now.
Can we do a check and see what that call center is? What number?
is that what they're doing, pranking you guys and stuff?
It happened to his boy.
He's in handcuffs.
Okay, that's what I
You know
actually.
Aiden, right, Tiff?
Yeah, I know Aiden.
It
Yeah.
happened to Aiden last night. Same thing.
Same thing. That's what. It's a.
We took
All right,
it
let me
serious
talk
because
to
he
him.
said he wanted
I
to kill you
understand.
guys, so we were worried about you.
Who said that?
It
Well,
was
how do
from
they
the
know? How do they?
helpline. It had your address, his name, is
These
everything.
people was pranking. Y'all gonna have to figure this out. Y'all gonna have to figure.
I explained to them the SWAT. They're
Let's get him unhooked.
okay.
Yeah. Get him back down.
You guys are good with him?
Yes.
Okay.
Oh, it's a prank. Y'all gonna have to figure this out. We gonna have to figure this out. Okay.
5232. Would you tell 5447 and 45 to release our person in custody and have him walk back this way?
Pranking us. You about to call who, Mason?
Like I said, we've been streaming for the past 3 hours.
Thanks, guys. I knew you guys were 3 people that knew what come to the back end.
I just took me a minute to get up there.
No, no. He just popped out, and I was like, oh.
I understand that. I understand.
And he was like, I opened the gate, and he's standing right there with a football. I'm like, at least you have a gun.
Just turn somebody around with a Excuse my language, but they're going pizza because they constantly pranking.
Well, thanks for being understanding, but yeah, in the
I get
message,
y'all. I
in the
get
message,
it.
it was a hotline, and it said wants to
I
kill his mom and
want y'all
dad.
to y'all can get the FBI and find them people and seeing who sent it. That's who need to be in handcuffs right now. That's who need to be in handcuffs right now. Because the people constantly keep pranking us. I just left pizza. Like,
Is he like popular on YouTube or something?
Yes, he's very popular. I went down to the city and
10 million
everything.
people. Wow.
I done it.
What's he talk about or do?
Gaming.
Gaming, he doing a stalker.
One of the biggest people on
one of the biggest people. I done went down to the city. Officers Chandler, they.
I'm about to kill myself. I'm straight. What the f?
I know. But we just gotta do our job.
Yeah, what's she saying? What did my mama say?
I don't know. Control your window back.
It's crazy, man. Oh, I'm in a cop car, dog. Oh my god, this is crazy, dog. Oh my gosh, bro.
Alright. So, what's going on is that?
I am a popular. It's a call, okay? I'm trying to explain to y'all. Y'all not getting what I'm trying to say. I am a popular streamer. These calls happen all the time. It just probably doesn't happen in Cincinnati because there's not that much famous people in Cincinnati.
Is it just people that are watching your stream?
It's people watching my stream that they're trolling. They're just trying to get me lit. Like I said, I don't know. It's like I don't know. I'm a popular streamer. I keep saying that. It's hard to me. It's hard to really explain. Tell y'all what's really going on. I can check anywhere in my house, anywhere. I can show y'all exactly what I'm really talking about.
I'm right here.
You want them in the grass?
Why are you wearing sweatpants?
Too hot for that today.
So, but you need to understand, it's our job.
Yeah, and I get that, but I'm trying to explain to y'all, but y'all keep asking, why did it happen? And I'm telling y'all.
No.
Make sure you're under control, then we
What
figure
I'm trying
out
to tell you
what's
is what was said.
Yeah.
So, what was said to us was that there's someone,
Yeah.
you,
And I get that,
that was going to kill their
I understand
entire family with a Glock
Yeah, I understand.
19.
Yes. This game, I'm just a streamer game. I stream games, yes.
What kind of game?
Fortnite, Valorant, Apex, I'm an all-around streamer.
Are you any good?
Yeah. Yeah, it was just one of them.
So just a little misunderstanding online.
But it was serious. You gotta block your IP address?
They been had her address since I came in.
I know, but I didn't know who it was. I didn't pick up.
If we get another thing like that to this address, we'll already have it documented that this has happened, so that we know.
You ain't been spotted before, right?
Maybe
This is
for
my
the future.
first. This is my first
Try to
time.
get his name off everything, get him a PO box and stuff.
Yeah, we got the yeah.
know.
Is that it? No, your number.
You guys are good.
Yeah, sorry.
Sorry.
Oh, y'all good. I mean, it's all good. So what do y'all recommend moving forward besides?
Well,
Does he ever use like proxy servers and stuff to like hide his IP address and stuff? His address is all over the internet.
Yeah, it's all like
Your home address?
I'm not the moving
This
forward.
address.
Aren't really friends.
Calming down there because
Yeah.
we have to
Information all
investigate
over.
it.
Yeah, I was
We
just
don't wanna be
confused.
involved.
It just happened out of nowhere. I was just
Clearly
screaming.
not friends.
No.
Thank you.
Because didn't the kid get killed? Like, didn't.
Yeah,
Somebody
exactly.
kicked in their door and stuff.
Yeah.
Because they said he was going to kill.
Yeah.
see the
Yeah, there
school
was a
or
kid.
something.
There's a couple of them lately that have happened, and then they
this is
overreact.
ridiculous.
They're not updating right now. But
Yeah, we don't
No,
overreact. we react, but we don't overreact.
Yeah, we know. Darren is cool. We can throw the football at him.
Thank you.
All right.